Today I will be unboxing the i7s TWS Bluetooth headphones, and I bought them from Aliexpress. You can find them on eBay, Amazon, on different stores. And they came like this. They came just in a plastic bag with the box. Inside the box, you find the both of the earbuds. The good thing, you can pair with them with your phone just like how the original ones do. You see a pop-up window that and for connect, press connect, and they will be connected. So let's see how these earbuds work while you are in the car. And I'll remove my mask so you can hear me better. The size of these earbuds is bigger than the normal earbuds from Apple. Of course, these are a clone, and but there's one thing that I have noticed, that these one of them fall off. Like when I'm sometimes driving and using this to talk to someone, I haven't heard any complaint that the voice is not clear. The only thing that happens, there are two things that happens with this ones. One, this one will fall from my ear, especially if I'm like turning this steering wheel, it will fall down. That is very annoying. Second thing, they never give you any warning before they go off. The normal timing for these earbuds, okay, they last around 2 hours in your ear. Depends, I think but they have a direct connection with your phone, so it doesn't they don't turn off unless you put them back inside the box. But on your ear, the maximum they will stay until 2 hours. Once the 2 hour time run out, they will not give you any warning like battery low or something. They will just tell you power off. You're like, no, 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 and they are dead. First one of them will die, the second will follow like a 5 minutes time. It's like a grace time, like you're on your own. After 5 minutes I'm gonna die. So I tried, while when they turn off due to low battery, I put them back in this box. It charges them for like 3 minutes of charging. I get 10 minutes of talk time. The charging the box doesn't take that long, maximum 1 hour. There are not many clear instructions on how to charge the box. Just plug it in, start giving you a red light. Okay, I will do that right now in front of you. This is my car charger. Once I plug it in, as you can see, a light start blinking on it. All right, and once you put these earbuds back in the box, okay, blue light will appear with a red light on the inside. These are not magnetic, they just close once you close them. Inside the car, since there's not much noise, the mic is quite clear, but I will show you how they appear once you go out. Okay, I will just come out of the car. All right, so see, this is outside the car. I don't know how you can hear me, but when I talk, when I'm outside the car and I talk with people, they complain to me that they cannot clearly hear me. So I don't recommend using them, especially when you're walking on the street with the noise of the traffic and the cars. It's quite difficult. But as far as you're in a quiet place, they do the job pretty well, especially for the amount of money that you pay to get them. I think they are available on AliExpress, eBay, and major online websites. I got it for like $5. So for $5, they're pretty good. The size is bigger, but they pair with my phone, as I shown you earlier, and they last. They have been surviving with me for over 10 days now. And for 10 days, for these earbuds, they're pretty cool. And I'm not afraid to lose them. Of course, if I lose them, I'll order one more pair. But the thing is, if you order one piece, Still it can pair with the other one. Somehow they have an auto pairing system. Like example, if I keep this pressed off, okay, this will turn off. I don't know if you can see the red light that came. Okay, and once you press it on, so I think I turned off the recording. Once they got disconnected, they turned off the recording as well. Okay, I have with me the Apple wired headphones. Okay, you can compare the size. Look at these. See, they're far bigger. All right. So if you can get the real one, it's cool. Otherwise, these will do the job. So that's for today. I hope you like the video. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below. Thank you.